Need social proof to convince your next client to hire you? In this video, I'll show you the simple and professional way to request testimonials on Upwork. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Client testimonials are powerful social proof that build trust and credibility. The best time to get them is right after a job well done. Upon successful completion of a contract, Upwork automatically prompts both you and the client to leave public feedback. This is the primary source of testimonials. To increase your chances of receiving a glowing review, always end the contract yourself with a polite and thankful message. Summarize the great work you did together and express your appreciation. You can say something like, "It was a pleasure working with you on project name. I'm ending the contract now. I'd be delighted if you could leave feedback about your experience." A crucial pro tip: give to get. As soon as you end the contract, leave a 5-star testimonial for your client first. This triggers a notification and makes them much more likely to return the favor. It also shows you're a collaborative professional. And just like that, you're systematically building a profile packed with positive reviews. Each testimonial is a building block for your freelance reputation. What's your go-to phrase when asking for feedback? Share your template in the comments. To showcase your work, subscribe for our next video on how to highlight your portfolio on Upwork. Thanks for watching.